Okay, there we go. My stream crashed. I can't see anything. Okay, now I can see my stream. Okay, that was odd. That crashed out of nowhere. That was really odd. Okay, now we're up and running again. That was really weird. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're up and running. Okay, that was really odd. Okay, I started their little poll. Not sure that one's more logical for everybody. Not sure if the viewers are back. I'm seeing viewers. Yeah, I just had like a random crash. My internet's working alright. I'm not sure why that happened. Motherboard, yes, it's a good option. Like, you would trust more. From my experience, having like the main two things that I would pick whenever is building a PC or buying a PC. No, in my case, it would be building, but it would be a good motherboard manufacturer and a very good power supply. You can't go cheap with your power supply, because if anything fails, you're gonna blow up your whole system. Or not blow it up, more like crash it, make some sparks. Happened to me twice. I bought a cheap power supply with an old motherboard that I went to test out, and it fell on me, and it did a little bit of sparks on the motherboard, and I just ruined it. A perfectly good motherboard that I was using for testing, put a cheap power supply, and that was a bad experience. Honestly, did not like doing that. And never again. Prioritize your power supply. Don't go cheap on it. Okay, now can we launch this? Because I really want to load up this computer. There we go. Let's put this on full. It's on full screen. There we go. Like CPU, it's more like processing on like your internal software. GPU handles more graphical terms, even though it does a little bit of process with other programs, it's not heavy on the program. Depending if the program uses a lot of graphical, like say you want to use Photoshop, Blender, that relies heavily on graphics. Well, this is up and running. Whoops, that's not it. Okay, that's up there running. Now I want to fix something that I had here on my own system. Was it this? No, it's not this part. Guess, well, that does happen. You know what, I'm gonna turn this on and do some testing. I'm pretty sure with the Windows 10 and install Steam on it. I'll see if I could try to recreate the issue that happened yesterday with decoys. Let's see if I can recreate it. But in this case, I'm not gonna be using graphics for it. I'm using the embedded graphics system that it has. Will it work? I'm not 100% sure. I will update everything on this. Oh my god, take all this crap off. We don't need that. Turn that off. Turn that off. Something else that we don't need on this system. Okay, we have here the age, we don't need that for now. We can ignore that, ignore that, ignore that. Let's see if I can recreate that issue on my side. Not sure if that game is free. I don't think you can recreate it. It's a 1-1 Google told me. It couldn't hurt to try. Okay, now I'm at first. Okay, now I'm having computer issues with this one. Why am I having computer issues? Ow. Okay. Can I ping Google? I can't ping Google. Okay. So first though, I need to fix the internet on this. It's not working. Let's give it an update for the time being. What I could try, let's see if I can. It's a possibility I couldn't create it, but I gotta give it a try either way. It's been on my mind for a few hours. Okay, that's starting up. Good. Okay, perfect. Now, why are you not letting me see the process? We're done with this. I don't need this anymore. Put this in full screen. Okay, so we have service. I have some random things open there. There we go, now that fixed it. I don't think, is the game free? That's honestly, I don't even know. Any tips on what I should do before I take it up to this computer store and try to sell it? What you would say there? Well, you can be honest with them and tell them like, I think the computer's fine, but I think it's having issues with the game. And maybe they'll check it out for you for free as well. I'm not sure if your computer store is like that good of a reliable service. You can tell them what they have, everything you did. Well, first up, I would tell them everything that you already did, and maybe the dude has a potential solution for it. So that way he can just narrow down everything that has been done. It's a pawn shop, man. Man, then I wouldn't go there. I'm not even sure the good. He might rip you off, honestly. I wouldn't take it to a pawn shop. I would take it to a real computer store. Honestly, take it to a computer store, not a pawn shop. They're gonna rip you off. When you have like a micro center nearby, let's see, is the game free? That's Rust free. Oh, I don't have that game. God damn it, I don't have the game. Wait, you got it from a pawn shop? So it was used, not brand new? Oh, from Micro Center. Okay. That case. Don't you have nearby a local computer store? You check something, the reviews are so tragic. Oh, damn. Hey, Alfie, how's it going? They're so tragic. Well, sometimes, even if they're tragic, I would still try. It couldn't hurt to try it out. Unless it's like really horrible or something. I'm doing alright, man. Ralphie, earlier he mentioned he tried GTA 5 and it crashed on him. So I'm thinking it's a GPU issue. If he has an extra one, then he could take that one out and try it out. I helped him with that as well yesterday to use the discrete CPU graphics, the integrated one, but the system did not want to show a picture. We also tried to install the if it had any drivers. Yeah, that part didn't work, man. It wouldn't show. It wouldn't show a display on the system, so that's another issue as well. So he was basically stuck. I guess he's gonna try to run a game. He's saying his curse. I think I'm pretty sure he narrowed it down. I think from what he just said right now, I think it's basically it's your freaking GPU, man. I'm positive now because you try to run a very popular game, GTA 5, and it did the same thing. Did the same thing. If I had Rust, I would try it out. I don't think I have it here. I don't even remember. Rust. No, I don't have the game. I thought I had it. Odd. That's extremely odd. I don't believe Geek Squad can actually help. That's the thing with Geek Squad and Best Buy. I don't think they're actually technicians. I think they're salesmen. Like we have a Best Buy here, and I don't go there. I just do it myself. It sounds that's just my way of doing stuff. I don't really think they're technicians. Yeah, basically. They're more of a salesman. Oh yeah, hey, I can't do anything else, but I can offer you a new PC. My dude, I just want you to fix this thing and save some money, not spend more and get something else. Yeah, that's what I was offering earlier, Decoy. Try even if they have bad reviews, they might be able to check it out. Maybe 3 stars or something, but if you just like pinpoint what you have or just show him the problem real time, since you already have it already turned on, just go to the store, plug it in there, test it out so he can see it in real time. You did show him the Rust issue, the GTA issue, it's just the game issue, nothing else. Because in the tech store, I am pretty positive that they have extra GPUs laying around and they could try to put one in your system and see if it actually is a GPU problem. That's another thing that you can try. This is not where I want it to be. Hardware information. Fingerprint. What? Oh. I guess probably my hardware. I don't know what a real tech store is. When I search computer repair store, it's some random game store that sells 94 video games. Oh. I would, either way, I would call and ask, and maybe they know somebody else that does own a tech store in your area. Yeah, me myself, I'm not currently in the States. In Florida, no, not what I'm looking for. Okay then. Cluster. Yeah, sure, install them. You live in Florida. No, I'm not really aware of that area, so I really can't do much. Only thing that you could do is just check local stores. Maybe they might help. In Sweden, we got internet and mobile in both of those places. That's pretty neat, Alfie. Man, I wish I had that here. The ones that we have here are almost like over the counter, or you gotta know someone to know someone that knows somebody that might have parts, or might actually know what he's doing. Cluster, yeah. No. This is not what I want. Yeah. Configured, no. GeoCluster bootloader. That's right, I can change my bootloader. The book costs premium. $100 an hour? Holy crap! That's a little pricey. That's pricey, man. Yeah, I don't want to mess with this. Is my time some good? Yeah, my times is good. Kernel dump. Did this finish installing? I want to see if I can run a game here. Ah yeah, it did finish installing. This is gonna run off... What graphics is this gonna run off? I don't even think I even put graphics on this. Okay. I think this might crash for me. Or not. Oh look, it's not crashing for me. Bootloader, I don't want to mess around with it. Oh my god, that's laggy as hell. Hold on, let me show you what this guy sent me about this issue and reach out. Call out fee $35 first hour. Includes GST ongoing time 50 per 15 minutes. What? So wait, he wants to charge you 35 an hour? Or 40 bucks per 15 minutes? Oh god, did I crash this? Oh no, it's just loading. Okay. Holy crap, man, that's expensive. Couldn't you not ask him like for a flat rate? I want to see how many frames this is running. That was quick. That was extremely quick. I want to turn up the frames here, because look at me right now. This game is barely running. I love the same games as you, but I could try it out. And I think this might have a GPU problem. Okay, Decoy, you have good luck, man. Like, test out the GPU. It might be that. If it does work, let us know. even this is running. I'm actually surprised this is actually running. Slow as hell. I can't believe this is actually running. I thought this was gonna crash on me. Okay, well at least I know the game works. Drop down. I don't want to do that. Oh, that's okay. I just wanted to set out the game work. Okay, I know it works. Let's do a reboot on it. Cancel that. Okay, at least I know that works. Kernel settings. I still am brainstorming with the YES controller. It's a little bit confusing. So I see that some of you guys have been answering the post. CPU 25%, GPU 25%. Motherboard's winning. Okay, that's good actually. But don't cheap out on your GPU, man. You do not want to have trouble issues, and it will just destroy your whole system. I want to change this, but pretty sure if I touch this, I'll lose connection, and I don't want to lose the stream. Well, if you're familiar, yes, I am familiar with partitioning this. Oh, that's really sweet. All organized right there, which is which. It tells you the name. That's great. That works perfectly good. Let's go back with something more insane. Let's run this. Oh, that's right. Wait. I could install. Before I do this, let's install pfSense. Do not want to run it because I want to do VLANs. Yes, VLANs. Let's do that. Do need to disconnect Okay, there we go. I fixed it. Okay, can anyone on the stream? Can you guys hear me? Okay. I think I disconnected the mic by accident. Pretty sure I disconnected the mic. Oh man, I think it like, broke something. Shit.